So we have ready the nigiri set, and we're gonna do now with the leftovers for our salmon, our tuna, and shrimps. We're actually gonna do the makis. Normally people are gonna throw away to the garbage those pieces, and actually it's the pieces what are most delicious to do the maki rolls. We're gonna starting with the spicy tuna roll. So we're taking rice, taking nori. We spread the rice all over the nori. Okay, so now we're gonna add sriracha mayonnaise. We're gonna add some spring onions. Some shishimi togarashi. And we have in here the leftover actually when we have cut in the maguro nigiri. So we're gonna add it in the maki. And we're gonna roll it. Add a little bit water. So we have tuna roll. Now we're gonna do the next roll with the leftovers what we have saved from the salmon. We're gonna do Aburi Salmon Roll. So it's a grilled salmon. So same process done with the tuna roll. Remember when you do the maki roll that you need to have rice all over the nori sheet. Otherwise you're gonna have trouble to cut the roll first, and then also to dipping in a soya, because if you have air in between, the filling for your roll is gonna drop into the table. So first we're gonna add a little bit mayonnaise. We're gonna add spring onion. And we're gonna add some sesame. We have in here the belly part, what we have from the salmon, and we're gonna cut it at the same long that our maki, and we're gonna torch it. If you don't have a torch in home, you just can put it in the frying pan, one side, other one, around 1 minute per side, and it's ready. Okay. So we're adding that salmon in a roll, and we're gonna close it. So we have our second roll, and now we're gonna use, we have from the nigiris, like 4 ebi pieces, and we're gonna do inside roll California. So normally the California roll is done as a outside roll, so you have the rice in the outside. But now we're gonna do it with the same ingredients, but as a nori roll. So we're gonna put our rice, we're gonna put some mayonnaise as well, we're gonna add avocado. So with the spoon, we cut in slices from the avocado, and we put that exactly in the center of the space for our rice in a maki roll. I'm gonna put it in here. Now we're gonna take the 4 ebi shrimps. We're gonna take the tails out, and we're gonna place it in our roll, and we're gonna add a little bit sesame in the top. And the same thing, we're gonna roll it. So it's ready, the rolls. We're gonna wait like a couple of minutes, then the nori is getting softer, so it's easy to cut with the knife. And after that, we're gonna put our makis in our plate, and we're gonna start the party. So I see you soon. So we're gonna cut our maki roll, and we're gonna cut it in 10 pieces. So the first cut is gonna be in the center, and we're gonna put both pieces together. And from here, we're gonna cut the end out, and from here, 5 pieces. So first, second, third, and from here coming the number 5. So you get all pieces separate. So we're gonna add it now here. Okay, and the last one, we're gonna change the cut. So we're gonna cut it in the center, and we're gonna cut the edge in this side. And now this one, we're gonna cut it in half. And now this half, we're gonna make like a angle cut. So the result gonna be this way. So we put it in here, and we put it in here. And remember that you can use your imagination how to ensemble the nigiris, the makis, and feel free to try other version for the plate. So I hope you enjoy the dinner, and see you in the next chapter. Thank you for watching.